We learn in this chapter electric potential and electric energy. So we now find out electric potential at a point charge. Due to a point charge, means here plus Q is called a point charge and it's placed at a O point. So this directed a electric field intensity along this direction E vector. Then a test charge placed at this influence of electrostatic force. So here place a test charge in M. Then this test charge work done against this electrostatics, means test charge move the small distance dx, means up to n. Okay, so here n is the distance small distance is dx. So charge is move, means test charge is move from m to n, then work is done. So here test charge or point charge exerted a force on test charge. So here distance between O to N is x. Then again a test charge move up to a distance, then this electrostatic force, means plus Q, exerted a electrostatic force on point A also. Then this distance is OA is equal to R. Then the electrostatic force on a unit positive charge at M is, so F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon x square. This point charge is exerted a force, the electrostatic force, on the M point, means the test point. Okay, only plus Q exerted because we are considering a 1 point charge. So this charge exerted on this distance, in this distance. Okay, then we get F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon x square. Equation number 1. You already know the electrostatic force formula, but by bringing charge from M to N at a small distance dx, the work done is, we know that M to N distance is dx. So work done is, means M to N test charge is move, then work is done against the electrostatics direction of electric field intensity. So we get here minus sign. Okay, so dW means work done for the small displacement dx is equal to minus F dx. Equation number 2. Here minus sign indicates opposite direction of electric field of work done. Then the total work done by displacing unit positive charge from infinity to A, means this charge come from the infinite distance, means long, very long distance. So here work done means total work done is equal to integration of infinity to R distance, means up to A point. Then we get here minus E dx. So E means F dx. Here F means electrostatic force. So this equation number 1, put this equation and we get integration of infinity to R bracket of minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon x square into dx. So work done is equal to minus Q 4 pi epsilon naught integration of infinity to R x raised to minus 2 dx, because here 1 upon x square means reciprocal of minus 2. So this reciprocal written in the form of x raised to minus 2. So using this formula for the integration, so integration of xn is equal to n xn plus 1 upon n plus 1. So we get equation here minus q 4 pi epsilon naught x raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 up to infinity to r. Okay, so here minus 2 plus 1 we get here minus 1, and again minus 2 plus 1 we get here minus 1. Here so minus and this minus 1 get here plus. So here q upon 4 pi epsilon naught we get, and bracket quantity is remaining x raised to minus 1. So here x raised to minus 1 put up as 1 upon x. So up to infinity to r. Okay, so work done is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon in bracket of 1 upon r minus 1 upon x, solving this equation. Then we get work done is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon into 1 upon r, because 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. So we get this equation, and this work done, this formula is same as potential. So V is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 upon r is same as V. So here a positively charged particle produces a positive electric potential, because we get here plus q. We are considering plus q. Suppose we are here considering minus q, then we get a negatively charged particle produces a negative electric potential. Okay, understand? When plus q considering, we get here plus means positive electric potential. When we are considering minus q, then we get here minus means is negative electric potential. Okay, so at r is equal to infinity and v is equal to q upon infinity, then we get here zero potential. This shows that the electrostatic potential is zero at infinity. Okay, means at the large distance electrical intensity gets decreases. We already learned. Okay, so your figure shows that the electric potential means V is inversely proportional to the 1 upon R. Means potential increases when distance is decreases, and when distance is increases, potential decreases. Means vice versa. Relation is vice versa. Means potential increases, distance means R decreases. Suppose potential decreases, then R increases. Okay, and then for electric field, means for electric field intensity, E is inversely proportional to the 1 upon R square. It's vary with R, the distance from the charge. We know that R is the distance from the charge. Okay, so this graph shows this relation, means 1 upon R means here electric potential is versus distance. Graph shows the dotted line, and electric field versus distance shows a plain line. Okay, so this variation of electric field and potential with distance. Okay, here figure means graph shows that dotted line of potential relation means V decreases, distance increases, and here E decreases, distance also decreases as compared to 1 upon R square. Okay, so here complete our point